daawadayaal ku soo dhawaada markan waa muuqaal kale muuqaalkan waa muuqaal aad u argagax leh gudoomiyaha gobolka Hiiraan ee maamulka Hirshabeelle ayaa wajigabax kala kulmay hay'adda FAO kuwaasi oo kormeer u yimid kadib markii ay ku wargeliyeen shaqadan in uusan shaqo ku lahayn isagu bal daawo muuqaal
ku soco hanti umadeeda la lunjay mana la qarinayo إلا أسكر من الجاية كسيش يتكاس إيربكا يمكن أشوف
and plus this soil. That's what the previous committee has done. And the other group who has received the contract has done that new soil that you can see over there. That's what they have done. That's what they're trying to explain to you.
Also, you are saying that not much was added.
Yes.
Is that what?
وهذا في عنه مهمة للمدن الشغل. No.
So this one was done
by his own committee. The regional
local flat committee. By who?
By the local people, the local committee.
So this additional, it's overlapping. It's strengthened or reinforced, or did it do any good?
No, it didn't. That's what he said.
So we shouldn't be doing it. That's what you're saying?
No, he said it was supposed to be done, but they should have shown a better job. Nobody consulted them.
When مشروع يريد مشروع بس أما إنكار
There is no project or one contract was consulted with this office. And you know when people receive projects, they're supposed to talk to the district commissioners, governors, and tell them that they do.
سبح شكورا كورا.
But if this was working already before, why was there flooding in the area? Was there no flooding here?
تن أنا بسيط تاسع ما بكور قبيلة.
Let me explain.
meeshaan waxay ka mid tahay lix meelood oo maalgelisay dowladda Sweden Fruit shirkadda maalgelisay FAO lixdii kale tan ma ogeen ma shaqadooyinka masaanay waxay tahay mis waa ka fiican yahay maadaama
هذه الجواب أنا فهمت تجيب لي سكوت سبح مال يا وعدتي دولة سويدن أو فاو الوصول المشاريع الوقت سدح مال كورة
The governor says 3 days ago it was brought to his attention that the project funded through FAO by Sweden and other agencies. He was informed by the people, the projects, people who implemented it in 3 days. From yesterday, the day before, the day after. Before that, we don't know what was done, where it was done. So he's saying we never knew anything about the projects. He said 3 days ago.
How long has he been?
بغجو تبقى قبل كده.
أنا هذا وحن شو قاس سند يا أفر. كهرنا لبتشر حفيز بشوله.
He was previously the government transferred, come back again. Second time, this time, the last time of this appointment, he was there for 1 year and 6 months. 16 months.
So last year there was no flooding here.
عشان سنة كان سودا فينا واحد بيجي مسؤول عن المهنة.
ويكي ما دين بيو وينكي ما جيبه. جيتاش الشديد. لا باركاش الشديد. دربي كان الوحدة أحرق عن الغرب.
Yes, it was flooding from where the long tree over there. Standing, there was a flooding.
كمون تيجي أنا كارث. كمون تيجي يا مامو.
What we did was it was within the community that has done this job, the concrete.
It's not مشاريع
It's not from project funded.
Yes, that's understood. That's not planned.
Yes.
I think it's important. Yara, where are you, my friend?
Yeah.
Come here and translate for me. Please. Excellency. No, it's okay, but I want everyone who doesn't understand English to hear this very clearly. We need to recognize that you have done fantastic work. The community of Belatwain has done fantastic work. The UN is not here to claim credit for the great work that you have done. I was with the Prime Minister's office with Adam on Sunday, and we also saluted the great work. We saluted the great work of the Belatwain people in the Hershey Valley State in preventing the flood. It's well acknowledged that you have been the front line and have done an excellent job.
مدنيال waxaa waaye shaqooyinka ay qabteen kadib maamulkooda وشقوين أرق ولا موقدا الله يقانا أو قلة كستني وقتها شرعاً لي لأن وزارها قرن الصومالية حفيز كسو عن كشغلي كجيب هذا إمام القضاء الشقة قبتين الشقة قبتين مع شقة عد كستني كريكتا شقة كستني كستني.
So I want to say this now in front of the cameras to show that we also agree here in Beledweyne that the people of Beledweyne and Hurst Valley have done an excellent job as well. And the UN is here to support you, to compliment you, not to take credit for the great work that you have done.
أي تهاي شقاء بعض المسيح أنا رمنا أنت قبتين وح قدر من هذا المعها وهي قبتين والشيء أنا لك وهي قبتين وح قدر على
The 66 sites that have been done with the funding from SIDA and Italy were managed by the Hirschabelli Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation. It is the responsibility of the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation to coordinate with their counterparts in the Hirschabelli state. On that basis, if you have not been in with the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation,
شقوين كانوا مسؤولية لها سو حلو يقانا سو صارتان كي ملها سو إن سو ده الملهبل عذرن الشقة اللي قبت بنتي وزارة البيراء شبل أيها إسكالة أيها كان شقة ده هيد إني ليس شق يلا شقة ده هيد إني ما ملكي تدموين كي قبل كي أبو شق
إسكامالة أنا إسكامالة.
He's saying that's not responsibility.
أنا إسكامالة.
It's my responsibility. Let me say.
Point of order. Point of order. Please point of order. إنت هيئة فوق. إيه نرشق يسوع التوني تيجي النظام كدولي إيه نرشق مشروع موافق.
It's not the job of FAO to work with the government. Currently, whenever they implement the projects here.
It is not.
Why
it is not the role of the UN to coordinate internally if the government is unable to coordinate itself. I am the resident coordinator. I am the deputy special representative of the Secretary General. I take responsibility for what FAO did here or did not do, and I am telling you right now, if we committed mistakes, we will take responsibility. But it is not our role to coordinate internally how the Hirschabelli authorities should coordinate themselves. The former president was aware of everything that was done by the UN community here, every step of the way, and so were his ministers. Okay. Now the fact that this has not been coordinated with the government is not the UN's fault.
FAO hadday dambiga sameeyada UN-ka dambi ay galaan UN-ka ay galaan waxay dambiga ay galaan waa dambiga diyaaran waa qaadanayna laakiin shaqa maamulka Hirshabelle dhexdeeda ayay iska socodsiinayso ilaan anaga markaan wax qabanayna waxaan kusoo bilaabaa maamulka Hirshabelle iyo hore la soo maraya wasiirka beeraha lala hadlaya wasiirkii wuxuu soo hadlaya
focal point inta ana dowladda Hirshabelle inta ana focal point shaqadana ana هذا المشروع هذا اللحظة اللي يسمى هذا الميل أو كم مدة أو واحد قبتين وأنا اللي جوه
فكر بالكنورية قبل كان يرى جيته لما أنت نقصها وشيء بديها لكم ورقادين هنا وحي مشاريع هاي أركا ما أنا نقول لك أن نقول كلا ورقادنا لأن هاي وقتها سنتجينا